Liz Malthouse, Principal of Beachside Property Rentals. Why is it important to get things like smoke detectors checked?
It's actually legislated in Queensland that smoke alarms have to be checked within 30 days of a tenant moving into a rental property or a new lease has been signed. It's to protect the owner, it's to protect the tenant, and it's to protect the owner's investment. So it's a no-brainer. It's just something that is compliant and needs to be done and has to be done with every tenancy.